Hi everyone, I'm walking you through SpatialSkill AI, our solution for problem statement 3.3 and 3.2, skills assessment and job readiness. Let's dive straight into the deck. Slide 1, problem statement and supporting evidence. Let's face it, in India today, 80% of hiring managers admit that traditional resumes do not reflect real-world technical competency. We are stuck in a cycle of rote memorization. Traditional evaluation tools rely on multiple choice questions or written exams. They test memory recall, not practical execution, safety compliance, or spatial troubleshooting. This completely filters out highly skilled learners from rural or Tier 3 backgrounds who have excellent practical hands-on talent but lack academic pedigree or advanced English fluency. The result? A broken funnel for both learners and employers. Slide 2, target users and context. Our platform serves a massive, high-stakes ecosystem. On one side, we have the learners, IT students, vocational trainees, and engineering graduates in sectors like aviation, EV tech, and industrial automation who need to prove their worth. On the other side, we have the employers, aviation MROs and automotive manufacturers who waste millions on slow, unverified hiring pipelines. Crucially, we designed this for the reality of Bharat. It is built to run smoothly on entry-level, 5 to 10,000 rupee Android phones, bypassing the need for expensive VR headsets or high-end computers. Slide 3, Solution Overview and Key User Flows. Our solution is SpatialSkill AI, an immersive, browser-based 3D assessment sandbox powered by an autonomous multi-agent evaluation framework. The user flow is completely seamless. Step 1. The learner launches a lightweight link right in their mobile browser, initializing an immersive 3D task. Step 2. They interact with a complex industrial asset in real time, executing spatial troubleshooting. Step 3. Every click and tool selection emits a JSON telemetry stream evaluated asynchronously by our multi-agent brain. Step 4. We instantly issue a cryptographically signed, DigiLocker-compatible, verifiable skill passport. Slide 4. Why AI is necessary. Now, why do we need AI here? Why can't we just use standard hard-coded logic? First, because scale. Reviewing physical, multi-step engineering logs requires human instructors, which is impossible to scale to hundreds of thousands of candidates simultaneously. AI gives us infinite scale at near zero marginal cost. Second, standard code scripts fail because a user can solve a 3D mechanical problem in thousands of different logical sequences. Generative AI agents excel at parsing this exact type of variable, nonlinear human reasoning, evaluating why a technician made a choice, not just whether they clicked the right box. Slide 5, AI methodology and evaluation plan. Our technical framework is highly optimized. For live interaction, we use Gemini Flash 2.0 for its ultra-low latency and multimodal capabilities, delivering real-time contextual hints. Asynchronously, we deploy high-fidelity models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet or GPT-4o to act as our technical evaluator agent, passing raw telemetry arrays against strict industrial standard operating procedures. To prevent hallucinations, we enforce a rigid pedantic JSON schema, scoring candidates across 4 objective dimensions: safety compliance, diagnostic logic, precision, and operational speed. Slide 6, high-level system architecture. Looking at our architecture, everything is designed for lightweight delivery and heavy-duty intelligence. The client layer runs purely on WebGL and 3JS inside the browser, passing lightweight event JSONs to our backend. The heavy lifting happens in the orchestration layer on AWS, where our fast API gateway routes the telemetry into a highly decoupled, multi-agent loop using frameworks like LangGraph or CrewAI. Once evaluated, the data moves to our public ecosystem layer, minting a secure W3C verifiable credential ready to plug directly into the India stack. Slide 7, real-world readiness, built for Bharat. We built this to be production-ready for the actual conditions on the ground. For low connectivity, the platform caches interaction telemetry locally in the browser's storage, allowing the assessment to continue perfectly offline and sync to the backend the moment the network returns. For low-end devices, we use low-poly 3D models with baked-in lighting, keeping the entire asset size under 5 megabytes. Furthermore, by integrating language models and voice toolsets, we support regional languages and Hinglish, removing the language barrier entirely. Slide 8, implementation plan, risks and scope. Our roadmap is aggressive but highly feasible. In month 1, we will port our interactive prototype into a production Next.js framework. By month 3, we aim to complete full API integrations with DigiLocker and the Academic Bank of Credits. By month 6, we launch our B2B SaaS portal for employers. A key risk in AI grading is scoring variance. We mitigate this by overlaying a deterministic rules engine atop the AI's output, ensuring critical flaws, like failing to turn off the power first, result in an automatic mathematical penalty on the safety score. Slide 9. Team composition and high leverage skills. Our team has the exact complementary skill set required to pull this off. We have a dedicated AI systems and multi-agent architect who handles the core back-end intelligence, RAG lookups, and validation guardrails. Paired with that is an immersive front-end and UI/UX engineer with deep Unity and WebGL experience, ensuring the 3D canvas is lightning fast, highly responsive, and beautiful to interact with on any device. Slide 10. Appendix. Technical deep dive. To close out, let's look at the underlying security model. Every single skill passport generated uses the decentralized W3C verifiable credential paradigm, signed via an elliptic curve algorithm. When an employer scans the QR code on a candidate's passport, they verify a tamper-proof cryptographic hash directly from the source. This eliminates the need for expensive third-party background checks while fully protecting the candidate's privacy. SpatialSkill AI replaces the unverified resume with undeniable, data-backed capability. Thank you.